Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer crypto from Coinbase to stake in 2025. Whether you're looking to stake your assets for some juicy rewards or just diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a stake account set up. You'll need some crypto in your Coinbase wallet to transfer, so if you're starting from scratch, go ahead and buy or deposit some now. Security is key here, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on it to open the details page. Next, head over to your stake account. In the dashboard, find the Deposit or Wallet option. This is where you'll generate a wallet address for the specific crypto you're transferring. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Now, back on Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw feature for your chosen asset. Paste the stake wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, take a second to verify everything. Once you proceed, the transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the crypto and network. Keep an eye on your stake account to confirm when it arrives. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your crypto. Remember, always start with a small amount for your first transfer to avoid any mishaps. If you run into issues, both Coinbase and Stake have great support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.